Good morning, everybody. We're over in ROEBLING Raceway in Georgia today. We have all these beautiful cars sitting in the garage. This is going to be epic. I'm going to try and come out this way because I'm going to go around the house that way. But yeah, we have all these cars in the garage. We're going to go run the racetrack today. Road course yesterday was the airport, and then we're going to head down to Orlando, Miami, Key West. This rally is epic. Everybody's getting ready. Trying to go full send today on the racetrack. Now I'm lying. I'm trying to take it easy. Actually, to be quite honest, I never really did a full road course. I've raced other stuff on track, but not actually my car, so I'm gonna just try and feel the car out, see how it goes. I'll try and get faster and faster lap by lap. Very well. I think if I run back out, we're going to drop the tire pressure down to at least 30 psi. So when she comes back up in the heat, she'll only be about 42, and that's probably where I need the tire pressure to be, just to make sure that we don't take it into the grass. Otherwise, I had to go a little slow. I'd probably get another 5 miles an hour around the turns if I could get the pressure out of the car. So that's going to be the next step. I'm just waiting for the car to cool down. I got to let the tires got to cool off. Try and set the tire pressure, and hopefully that'll settle the car. Okay? Hopefully that'll settle the car around the track.
Awesome. It's a great track. It's great. A little tricky back here in the back side, but a lot of fun.
Did you get greasy? You felt the side of the truck get greasy on you?
No, but I got a little greasy doing, my due diligence.
We have Jeff and Gray Bishop in the Audi Rs3. They're gonna go and take it around ROEBLING. Hope it comes back in one piece. If not, Jeffy's got a really big bill. We got Sam in the rental. Yeah. We're gonna talk to him about his rental experience in a few minutes. This is two laps, two sets in a rental, but don't tell Enterprise. Ashley wanted to go out in one of these cars on the orange group, which would be the middle group, and we found her a ride with this gentleman over here in the GTR. So let's talk to her about her experience. She had fun. That's awesome. Oh, she had a good time. And here's Sam with the rental whip.
It drifts. It actually drifts.
I was waiting when I let you go in front of me before. I was waiting for you to send it sideways around the turn.
I did. So I figured when the tires get really greasy, if you just drill brake, you'll start to rotate, and then you get back on the gas. There it
How
goes.
did you do? The brakes did better. You get them to dial in a little more.
The engine oil hit 291. I didn't know it was possible for engine oil to get that hot and the engine not break, but
We might be belting a few rods inside and the bearings, but for $100 deductible, full send, baby, full send.
it dies.
Yeah, but just go pick up another one. No problem.
That's it.
It's a tow truck and an Uber ride over to Enterprise desk.
Definitely.
That's awesome, man. That is awesome. Let's take a look at this piece of junk real quick anyway, just so it's in pictures. So this is what Sam was driving. He rented this piece of shit because he actually has he had the fastest GTR on the rally at like 147 miles an hour through the traps. He ended up blowing his turbo right at the flag, and he had to ship the car home. So it's actually sitting still in, I don't know, Asheville, North Carolina. He went right out, real trooper. He went right out to the rental car place. He picked up his car right here so he could continue with the rally and finish all the way to Key West. Real man, trooper. I totally give him a lot of respect for that. Him and his girl, Victoria, right? Yep, so him and Victoria, they went full send in this bad boy rental car, and oil's 291. The brakes are overheating. but he got it sideways. So we're gonna wait for Jeff to come by with the Audi RS3. He's with Gray Bishop, and here he comes. He's sending it. The Aston Martin screaming down the track. How'd he do, Gray? How'd he do?
You're good, man. You're good.
You look good out there. You look good.
Yeah, just that one turn, like you said.
It's loose in the back corner, right?
Oh, yeah.
So how is the RS3 on Roebling Raceway, Jeffy?
Very good. Got some nice handling. Probably use that back sway bar link.
Yeah.
Or sway bar and put that on there.
How was the front stretch?
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got up. I got up to at least $120.
Yeah, I seen on the first pass you fucking sent it.
Yeah.
And you slowed down on the second two, you dropped off a little bit. But
Yeah,
the first and you broke real deep in there, so it looked good.
Yeah, well, I was listening to Gray as I was driving.
Yeah, that's why I sent him. I figured he could give you some good pointers.
Yeah, so he's like, every time you see a Mac, he's like, you want to be really close to that Mac.
Yep.
I was like, all right, that works for me.
Yep. Sweet. So you had a good time?
Oh yeah, great time. Can't wait to do it again.
I'm glad you got to take the car out for a ride, Jeffy. And yeah, very happy for you.